We're here in Galataport Cruise Terminal in the Karaköy area of Istanbul. It's an area of rich history dating back to the Byzantine and the Ottoman periods. Stay with us because we'll show you just why it's an absolute must place to visit and explore. So the port includes a state-of-the-art underground cruise terminal, but also it's right next to the most historically interesting parts of Istanbul. And the port itself is filled with fancy boutiques, local shops, and loads of dining options, including, of course, Turkish cuisine. It's really popular with local people too. Okay, so you're going to get a really nice mix of people. And while we were here, we were actually able to look out the ship's window and we could see local Turkish people dining in the restaurants. They seemed so close, we could almost see what they were eating. From the waterfront, you're going to see some stunning scenes of the Bosphorus Strait and the Golden Horn. As you come into the port from the sea, it's unmissable because you're going to see landmarks like the Blue Mosque with its 6 towering minarets and grand domes and stained glass. You've got the Hagia Sophia Grand Mosque, and you've got Topkapi Palace, once the administrative centre of the Ottoman Empire and the main residence of the Sultans. So being so central, it has really good transport links. You've got the Karaköy tram stop and the ferry terminals, they're within walking distance. And taxis and ride-sharing services are pretty much everywhere. Galataport has quite strong security measures, so be prepared even if you're just visiting to go to a restaurant, you're still going to have to go through security to get into the area. Now it's walking distance, as I say, to great places like the Galata Tower, which was originally built as a watchtower on the highest point of the walls of Galata, but it's now a museum. You've got Istanbul Modern Art Museum, which is actually on site at Galataport, so you don't have to go very far. And you've got Istiklal Avenue, which runs nearly a mile towards Taksim Square, and it's full of boutiques, brand stores and eateries and galleries. Our 2 favourites though, very easy to get to, Mumhain Kadesi, which is a little area not far from here, and it's full of little bohemian cafes. See one of our videos, we cover it in there. And also Balat, right? Balat, just across the river. We got there on a 28 bus. Okay, it's got all the coloured houses. Now check out our video if you want to see what it's really like. Unmissable. So regarding money, okay, most places will accept credit cards, but it's always good to have a few Turkish lira on hand. Now there is quite high inflation here, but at the moment, the exchange rate is about 34 lira to $1. Language-wise, English is spoken widely in tourist areas, but a few basic Turkish phrases will definitely help. Here's a couple of easy ones. Merhaba, hello. Sağ, thanks. Lütfen, please. Affedersiniz, excuse me. Istanbul has got a very varied climate. Okay, summers can be really hot and humid, and winters can be very cold and rainy. I mean, we were here once on New Year's, and it was snow on the ground, and we were freezing. Okay, so do prepare. And here, of course, it's a Muslim country, so be mindful of local customs, dress moderately when visiting religious sites, and be respectful when taking photographs of people or places. I think the unique blend here of historical charm and modern luxury just makes Galataport just a really nice place to come to. And especially if you're coming on a cruise, make sure you get off here, explore the area. Well, hope this has whetted your appetite, because we've got loads more walks on the channel through Turkey and in fact all other places around the world. So, take care for now. See you on the next one.